Make ChatGPT your search engine in Safari. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set ChatGPT as your default search engine in Safari. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. If you're tired of using Google and want instant AI-powered answers instead, this trick will help you switch to ChatGPT in just a few steps. First, open the Safari browser and tap on the search bar. Next, look for the small icon on the left side of the search bar. Tap on it to bring up more options. Now tap on Manage Extensions. This will take you to your installed Safari extensions. Scroll through the list and find the one called ChatGPT Search. Once you find it, toggle it on to activate the extension. After turning it on, go back to your Safari browser. You'll now see a new ChatGPT option in your search bar. Tap on it, and you'll get a pop-up window asking for permissions. Make sure to tap Always Allow, and that's it. From now on, whenever you search in Safari, it'll use ChatGPT instead of Google. You're now ready to enjoy AI-powered browsing straight from Safari. That's all for the video.